Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm currently doing my field placement at juvenile probation in the city where I work with, and I'm working under probation counselors, so I have a small caseload of kids on probation. And my job is with a nonprofit called Community Passageways. We work with youth and young adults impacted by the criminal justice system, so it's a similar population, but with different approaches because the nonprofit is very grassroots and very much believes in abolition. So they take a much different approach to solving this problem than probation does. What I'm hoping to get out of this course. I'm hoping to learn about how trauma impacts the brain, and I'm hoping that this course is very neuroscience heavy. I want to understand what's driving my clients' behavior and decision making from a neuroscience perspective so that I can better support them and aid in their healing. I spend a lot of time talking and talking and talking, and I just really want to learn what the solutions are for trauma. Why do you think studying trauma is relevant for your future career? Well, I intend to continue working with populations that have experienced oppression and marginalization, and many people who have experienced those things are survivors of traumatic events and experiences. So because of that, I think everything I learn in this course will help me to be a better social worker, but hopefully also just to be a better human being. 3 ways to take care of yourself. I don't really see myself having time to take care of myself or doing a lot of self-care between my job, my field work, and 2 classes. I don't know. I'll try to give myself a few evenings off where I don't do homework. And on those evenings, I'll try to get a good night's sleep and eat healthy and maybe work out whenever I can. Other than that, I'm not going to have much time to do much else this semester or until my internship ends in April. And looking forward to working with all of you.